Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 outcomes of the mirror effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Add the first footage to the timeline. Crop it. Add the mirror effect to the second clip. And this is the result. Put this burning light transition, which I got from Envato, in between. Right click on it, go to compositing and change the blending mode to screen. Put a market in the brightest part of the transition. Make sure to add the cinema effect above. Put the fade transition in between the two footages. Now do a crop on the second footage too. Again, put the mirror effect on the second part. Add another burning light transition in between. Use the same procedure as before. Add the third footage and add the fade transition again in between the footages. Make a crop and add the mirror effect to the second part. Add the same burning light transition as before in between the two parts. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.